Click on the first media clip. Between the first media clip and second media clip, hover your mouse in the middle. So you'll see this option to add transition. You can choose a variety of transitions that Canva has provided. You can adjust also some of the parameters of these transitions. So you can adjust the duration of how long this transition goes on until it moves on to the next media clip. You can adjust the direction. So play around with these parameters until you find the transition that you like the most. So I usually like using the dissolve transition. It's usually the simplest for me. And if you want to apply it between all the media clips, simply select apply between all scenes. So now a dissolve transition of 0.2 seconds has been applied between every media clip. So if I go and start playing the video, you can see there is a transition between each media clip. If I want to make it more visible, I'll probably adjust the duration so that it's a little bit longer for each one. And then if I try it again, you'll notice that transition effect takes a little bit longer, but it's also more noticeable. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.